which groups all the source system fields logically. So info source is an intermediate. We can in 7.0 we can use it for the transformation purpose. So for example, if you have if you have kept info source between source and the target, then you have two transformations. That means you have two chances to transform the data, and you will have only one DTP from source to target, and info source cannot be the target for the data. So as a source we have options, so data source, info source, DSO, info object, info cube, and info set. These all these can be the source. So system has proposed all the rules for us. So let's see those rules, either compatible or not. So here we have customer ID, material number, we have invoice number, and then we have bill amount, and we have currency, and then we have profits and material cost and unit. So everything is proposed by the system already. So we just have to click check and activate. Let's discuss transformation in okay, let's discuss transformation tomorrow in detail, because transformation has a lot of options and it takes one class.
Okay. You said you'll post this video on YouTube later on today.
Yeah, I will post that and I will send you this video right away. It's not a problem, because it takes a lot of time to convert. So it is better to send in same format. You can check it in Camtasia.
You said server was free I closed a little bit.
Yeah, you have to right click on the data target and create DTP. After creating transformation, right click on the data target and create DTP. Here in DTP there are three options: extraction, update, and execute. So we will discuss options in in detail later. Here now we have in execute, it is we have to activate the DTP. In order to get it activated, execute button. So once it is activated, okay, where is that in Skype you disconnected?
I disconnected.
No, Anna says she's got disconnected. Yes, in Skype. I will okay, I will switch it off and
Okay.
yeah, got it.
Okay, I'm not
Yeah, it's okay. So here after creating the DTP we have to execute. So before this we forgot to apply the logic in transformations. So let's apply the logic in transformations. For example, we have we have to pass on the profit for sales, right? And we have to derive this profit for sales from material quantity. For that purpose we have to drag and drop material quantity. You are listening to this, right, guys?
Yes.
Yeah, you have to drag
Yes,
and
sir.
drop the material quantity, and you have to drag and drop the material cost to the profit for sales. So there are basically three info. You can see that what are the related info objects here. The source fields are three: material cost, material quantity, and profit for sales, and the target is profit for sales. So we have to derive this profit for sales from these three source fields. So for that we have to go to the formula. We are using formulas now. In this formula editor, for example, you have this you have to take a bracket, right? What we need here is to get the profit equal to material cost multiplied by quantity of. So we have to keep this in brackets because quantity, then minus bill amount. So for this formula to apply, we need three info objects, and we haven't got three info objects here, right? Okay, so let's see here. For that purpose we have got so keep it direct. Until then we have got material cost and material quantity, but we haven't got bill amount to calculate. So you have to drag and drop the bill amount here. Drag bill amount to the profit for sales. Now you have all the four objects required: bill amount, cost, quantity, and sales. For this formula to apply, we have to go to the formula, and here you have to apply the bracket, and in that bracket we need to multiply material cost. Double click on that, and then you have to multiply with that. This is the sign for multiplication, and quantity. Double click on this, and you have to close the bracket. After closing the bracket, we need to minus this. That will be wrong, right? You have to come here and bill amount you need to minus it with the rest of the formula. That is because here if you minus bill amount, if you do this, the bill amount is 5000 and the profit we get is that in negative, I guess. So that is why what we have to do is to subtract the rest of the cost from the main amount. So what here we are doing is to subtract the cost of the manufacturing here with the amount we got after sales. So in that sense we can derive the profit. So here we are deriving the profit. We are in the profit of sales form. In this form here, this you can imagine it as equal to, after the equal to here, after the equal, the formula is there, and this formula we have to apply here. Applied this formula and then we have to check this, and formula syntax is right, and then you can go back. So here you can see transfer values, all the values will be transferred here. So now you can activate it. Zero record mode is initial because we haven't source system haven't provided the record information.